Have you ever looked at a Primavera P6 schedule and thought, it looks fine, but do I actually trust it? Because a schedule that looks good and a schedule that is good are two very different things. That's exactly why DCMA created the 14-point assessment. And in this video, I'll walk you through a practical P6 schedule health dashboard that tells you clearly whether your schedule is healthy or just pretending to be. DCMA defines 14 specific checks to test schedule quality. These checks answer one simple question. Can this schedule be trusted for execution and forecasting? If the answer is no, the schedule becomes a risk, not a plan. This framework helps remove guesswork and replace it with evidence. Let's start with logic integrity. This checks whether activities are properly connected. No missing predecessors, no dangling successors, no suspicious leads and lags. A schedule without logic is like Google Maps without roads. You may have destinations, but no reliable way to reach them. Now comes realism. This looks at constraints, activity durations, and float behavior. Too many constraints? That's manual control, not planning. Very long activities? Forecast accuracy drops. This section answers the question. Is this schedule achievable or just optimistic? Next is data quality. Are dates valid? Are resources loaded correctly? Is the critical path real or accidental? Bad data produces confident-looking dashboards with completely wrong conclusions. Garbage in, very convincing garbage out. This part focuses on execution. Is the schedule aligned with baseline? Is progress being tracked properly? Are risks visible early? This is where planning meets reality. A good schedule doesn't just plan work, it helps you control work. Now let's talk about the dashboard itself. The first thing you notice is the overall health score. This is a composite score across all 14 DCMA checks. Green means healthy, yellow means caution. Red means absad. Stop trusting this schedule. Target is simple. 85% or higher. This section gives quick project context. Total activities. Critical path count. Status distribution. Resource loading percentage. It answers basic but powerful questions. How big is the schedule? Where are we today? And are we loading people realistically? This table is the heart of the dashboard. Each DCMA metric is evaluated against its threshold. You immediately see what passed, what needs attention, and what failed. No manual calculation, no debate. Just facts pulled directly from P6 data. This slide shows how simple the setup is. Export your schedule from P6. Paste it into the data import sheet. That's it. Supports up to 5,000 activities. Automatically processes everything. No macros. No complex setup. No excuse not to use it. Here's the 4-step flow. Export from P6. Import into the data sheet. Review the dashboard. Take corrective action. Fix issues in P6. Re-export. Recheck. Over time, you don't just monitor quality. You improve it. Let's interpret the results. A pass means the metric meets industry standards. Schedule is credible. Minimal corrective action needed. Safe for baseline or reporting. This is what good planning looks like. A warning means attention is needed. The schedule is usable, but weaknesses exist. If ignored, these issues can affect forecasting and execution accuracy. Think of this as a yellow signal. Slow down and fix. K. A fail is serious. This means the schedule cannot be trusted. Immediate corrective action is required. Project risk is high. Best practice: never approve a baseline with failed DCMA checks. Here's the golden rule. Target at least 85% overall health and address every fail before baseline approval. This one habit alone dramatically improves project outcomes. This slide focuses on action. Use the corrective action plan template to track issues, owners, and fixes. DCMA is not about auditing. It's about continuous improvement. Fix the schedule, not the score. Now I will show you a demo on how it works. Go to Primavera P6, open the project, Ctrl+A to select all the details of the activities from this activity table. The column order should be matching exactly as Excel. You simply copy and paste your Primavera P6 schedule into the Excel P6 data import sheet. Perform a few basic cleanup steps like select the date columns C and D. Ctrl+H to remove space A text of the actual dates. Press replace all here. Next, again Ctrl+H to remove the asterisk symbol which would come for the constrained dates. I type here ~* and press replace all. And instantly the dashboard calculates all 14 DCMA checks automatically. On the dashboard, you'll see an overall schedule health score as 50%. Individual scores for each DCMA parameter along with the red, amber, green indicator. A clear visual indicator showing whether your schedule is healthy or needs correction. Also with the key highlights on top. The download link for this Excel template is provided in the video description. Just copy your Primavera P6 schedule, paste it into Excel, and instantly get your DCMA health score. If you want schedules that leadership actually trusts, this dashboard is a great starting point. Subscribe to PMO Champion for real-world PMO analytics, governance frameworks, and ready-to-use tools. Like, comment, and share with anyone still saying, "Our schedule looks fine." Because now, you know how to prove it.